let's eat some Indian food. I have some fresh garlic butter naan, some crispy vegetable samosas, which come with the best sauces. For my main, of course, I got my favorite chicken tikka masala. And to drink, a mango lassi. I always add some extra Greek yogurt to mine just because I feel like it's so sweet. Cheers, you guys. So good. Vegetable samosa and this beautiful mint chutney. I'm not that big of a fan of this tamarind one. Like, it's really good still, but I definitely choose the mint over this one. Now let's take a piece of this beautifully soft garlic naan and dip it into the chicken tikka masala. Wow. I'm also just gonna pour it over the soft basmati rice. Amazing. I'm flowing right now. Wow. Also, dipping the samosa in the chicken tikka masala is amazing. Indian food is definitely one of my top favorite comfort meals. If you're in the Orange County area, I always get my Indian food from Annapurna. They also have a lunch buffet for like $18, which I feel like is such a good deal. And I definitely want to try that out next time.